Everyone has the ability to do something amazing. The fourth industrial revolution, the big shift, the digital age, the buzzwords that talk about modern age technology that drives the world. The world of HR looks different with the advent of cloud technologies, and more recently, the pandemic induced rapid digitalization and automation across industries. As a result, global organizations have found themselves facing a new reality. What if technologies, platforms, and solutions were built by placing multinational organizations at its center? What if these solutions help organizations realize their goal of one world, one HR? And what if these helped organizations to evolve beyond borders? Neeyamo will showcase tangible steps taken to bring the tomorrow of global HR to you today. The launch of our independent and autonomous R&D labs, the NeeyamoWorks Skunkworks Factory, marks yet another giant leap forward in that direction. Having launched the first spoke at Belgaum, India, and a mothership lab planned at Madurai, India, the Skunkworks Factory is all set to expand its satellites worldwide. At Skunkworks Factory, we focus on creating and defining components that help organizations end routine processes, evolve beyond borders, and drill shortcuts through hype cycles with the help of technologies of the future. Brains yield breakthroughs. We have staffed our virtual labs with graduates from premier global academic institutions based in India, including the IITs and IIMs. We will be recruiting the best talent from across the world as we push forward with our expansion agenda. With our operating model, we will be able to go where the talent is. We have also partnered with the best institutional minds out there, including Microsoft, Amazon, Velocity Network, and select startup ecosystems. This helps us accelerate the pace of innovation and help bring futuristic use cases to mainstream at a faster pace. Examples of these use cases include breaking global employee support barriers leveraging artificial intelligence and natural language processing to enable multi-language coordination and support through our service desk. Carrying out sophisticated data validations across systems driven by machine learning. Advanced analytics to help analyze data to make sense of global HR big data. Blockchain-based global employee screening that dramatically reduces time to verify while improving the reliability of checks administered. Extensively leverage robotic process automation to enable a 100% machine-enabled, touch-free payroll. Platform-independent plug-and-play integrations, including a one-of-its-kind integration with existing payment wallets, and the development of our own multi-purpose employee wallet, which will open a significant number of innovative use cases. So, what will the future of HR technology look like? Meet NeeyamoWorks Skunkworks Factory, the place where the HR technologies of the future meet Neeyamo today.